guys, my name is HALLE. I'm the girl with the talkative mouth, guys.
Oh.
And I come with jokes, so.
Shashalaza. So you are the one who created the cluster story?
Oh yes, darling.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Straight guy, girlfriend.
Sure.
On top of the girlfriend, the straight guy is missing with 2 gay guys. Allegedly. Both from C13. So all the gents are from C13, then the girls from C12. Right? Cool. Alright, that happens. And then
You
have a channel, my brother.
Eh?
What's up channel?
Let's not get there.
Kaja, my brother.
Askulu,
Askulu.
man. And
Let me tell you,
Askulu.
let me tell you when. Why is the good papa?
Sure. He said he had a threesome with a guy, and a straight guy, and a gay. It was the first day and the second day. I don't know if he's the second or the third day. But then he said he had what you call
Where was he?
threesome.
So what happened? Okay, sharp. Hey yo, boom! This is Ken Jane.
Do your thing, 21.
Hey yo, what up? This is a boy, you know. SCOT team, you know. Yeah, sure. Yeah, hey yo guys, this is your boy Speedori, the boy from Soweto, and that's why I'm using Speedori. So then, welcome to another episode of Vibescape Origin Podcast, guys. When I say no topic is off, you say topic. Okay. Welcome to another episode of Vibescape Origin Podcast. No topic is off. Topic. So yeah, guys, for now we have some amazing guests and with my co-hosting. Yeah, Shashalaza. Smurfs. And I have my brother Scott. I have my brother Nati. I have Asipio. Good background. They'll be voicing out their opinions whenever they have a conversation, and yeah, free guys to ask questions if you feel like you have to. And then I have my wonderful guests. I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi guys, my name is HALLE. I'm the girl with the talkative mouth, guys.
Oh.
And I come with jokes, so.
Shashalaza. So you are the one who created the cluster story?
Oh yes, darling.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa. My brother.
I don't even know how to introduce myself, but then I can say my name is LEEKAY. You can find me on TikTok at LEEKAY_17. I'm from PTA, you call me LEEKAY. Just like that.
Why you want to know that PTA?
Nah, I don't want to be near home, dog. No, my mom works around PTA, so it'd be something else. You're just chilling, like the rest will be like, and gong, your mom is here. So
and the mama visit.
And I have visitors, so I was avoiding things like that. Yeah, I was like, hey,
out.
I'm out.
Guys,
I think growing up
we are born and bred in PTA, guys. We can't be in PTA all the time. Yeah, sometimes. PTA is not always nice the way on social media it is, guys.
They show you the nice parts, boy.
It feels
when you are when it's fresh.
And you speak.
Okay.
So, where are you from?
PTA.
PTA,
Yeah. What is it? More Little Park?
Yeah, but what are you
Yeah.
cheese, ne?
Yeah.
Cheese.
Is it East? Yeah. Yeah, East is
What is?
Guys.
Searching.
Oh, yes.
How?
Basho kanjani? Nami ngicabanga
Like real East and East hands are so cute.
mara mina ivideo for me mina ngahalela vele ukuya lapha ivideo
There's a roast and isn't guys.
Ne.
Only.
Spat. Nyathema. My brother,
Sure.
you have a channel, my brother.
Eh?
WhatsApp channel.
Aisha, let's not get there.
Kanjani, my brother?
Askulume.
Askulume.
And let me tell you,
Askulume.
let me tell you when. Why is the good papa
Wait. Sure. Hey, ukhuluma ngathi. Ngiyamanga, ukhuluma ngathi.
Kune channel, uyavuba or
Akuseyakhe.
uyababa.
I-owner you said you lost this contact again.
Sure, I
Yeah,
have the owner's contacts, and that owner owned what you call a confession. So,
Yeah,
I don't
guys.
own that one.
So if I pay you guys, will you reveal who wrote the confession?
I don't even know him. I didn't even know him.
Ulahlama number wakhe.
Ah,
Uthethe
What?
ulahlama number kantanga Chinwa.
Sure, around January, because I recently bought a new phone, so everything, I lost everything. I didn't even back up his, what you call it,
Numbers.
number, so yeah.
So who
Everything is
post
gone.
number our commission?
Silent mode, silent mode.
Sure.
Who post lapha our confession?
Wait.
Like
On the
channel.
channel.
On the-
Like how does this work? You can like if send the link,
Sure.
Then if I have something to say in Japan, then the person by share.
No, it notifies the person who made the link.
Mm.
Then that person
Okay.
will screenshot and
Sure.
post
Post
it.
Mhm.
And I pull up on it.
Sure.
What's the craziest you've had?
The craziest I've had is what you call C13 boys. They be like, let me not use the wrong language, but then
You can, my
You
brother.
can.
Okay, there was this one confession we said it was talking about C13 boys, and I think it was a guy, or maybe he's gay or things like that. He said he had a threesome with a guy, and a straight guy and a gay. It was the first day and the second day. I don't know if he's the second day or the third day, but then he said he had what you call
Where was he?
threesome.
So what happened? Okay, Shab, what triggered him? What's happening in the confession? Over I ban which I've had with one man.
I don't know, maybe because it's a confession group. Sure, and even so, the what you call this guy, the admin won't even see your name, so just reveal everything on top. As long as we won't know, sure. As long as we don't know how, we just reveal it. But I'm not saying I'm the admin.
So wait, do you like when you had that guy's contact name? Were you able to see the confessions before they were posted?
How?
So for example, let's say I read something and then it notifies him before he posted on the official group. Did you see the confessions?
He show you
Nah,
something?
nothing, man. The guy texted me, you see. I think
Why did he text you?
Yeah, what's the relation?
Why
Like in Kananagan
How do they know you?
Yeah.
okay, I have my own what you call WhatsApp channel.
What is it
Sure,
called?
it's the NW Academic Updates.
Mm-hmm.
You know it, right?
Yeah.
Sure. So I used to post and post. So there is this thing that question thing, question slot. I don't know what to call it. That thing. So he wanted to know how to do it because every time he wanted to ask the people questions so that they can
Or
respond.
the poll.
Sure.
Like Baketa call.
Yeah.
And not the poll.
It's
but
not a
then
poll. You
that
ask a
question.
question and people can respond.
Sure, that thing. So he didn't know how to do it. I think maybe when he tried to do it, he was like, let's say, how old are you? Then he would just send, maybe thinking it will just automatically, since it has a question mark and it's a question. So I told him, I showed him, or you have to click on this this thing, yeah, and then you'll see a question. Then yeah, then I also spoke to him about what you call partnering. Yes,
Challenge.
Sure, partnering challenge, and he was like, nah, I'm cool. And at that time, his followers were around 200. You see, and mine was around 300 followers. So yeah, his what can I say? His channel was more interesting than mine.
Yeah,
So,
then you blew up.
Sure, and all. But then yeah, that's how I knew him. Then I lost his number.
Sala wa confess ka wena?
No, I don't. Yeah, no, I don't do such things.
Have they?
Yeah, last year.
You?
Oh, this year.
But you're confused.
This year, yeah, it's
But do it weird.
You know what?
No, it wasn't even something serious. They were just sharing me.
Ah,
And the times when
Mama.
we used to go to the library together, they described me, and then they were like the girl who walks with her, and then they were just like, I want you, something like that. I was just like, why you not directly? Then these would touch shit, bruh. How? Doesn't make sense.
So, what's the craziest? Okay, I want to shots like at someone. But what the shots? Via my confessions, which I have one,
Oh, I've never seen. I have a small circle and all. So I wouldn't say I've seen anybody throwing shots at my circle. So yeah, I don't know it, but
not to say like, but you know what's a sharp and this is directed to someone, and you know that someone is part of the channel.
Nah. I don't know.
Next.
Nah.
Have you ever heard of someone with how much shots? She no matter my confession.
Yeah, no, I have.
What many shots?
Not
What you want?
like I knew that like it was written by someone. Like and
What's
it was
happened?
going with that other person.
What's happened?
Okay. So like they were literally telling someone who could see right? And then now like and it's crazy how that thing was deleted after it was sent to our group. But then we knew like this thing was sent to a certain person and then it might be someone around us. Yeah, no. Also I think the person who made confession about me, I think I know the person behind those things.
Man. What's it like?
Mine is so embarrassing because like it says no, I'm not so but then like and then like I thought it was a secret and it was not even one. I think it was like 4 of them.
Okay.
What? No.
Separate.
Confessions. One person, 4 stories. You get it? And then guys at my residence group chat it's crazy and that day like I'm just reacting to them and then like I told my friends, I'd be like, guys, this is me. They don't know my name to be like, this is him. And then I'm not gonna lie. Because then I didn't do anything, right? So something happened to me and then it happened in a public platform, right? So I thought people would find out or something. Yeah, and guys, someone in my group was like, make him cool.
If Jenny, such things will happen.
Bro.
My brother, like ever since like you are the only one like who knows my confessions,
Sure.
have my confessions, according to it,
Sure.
created some sort of a conflict between not even a close circle, but in campus.
In campus, nah. I've never heard of such. If actually nothing, the only time there will be conflicts is when maybe they mention names. But then so far they haven't mentioned any names. Sure.
But they have.
They have?
Oh, guys, this confession. Even the confession that they wrote about me.
I don't remember the names, but then there was this one time, let's say, HALLE. You see, HALLE, right?
HALLE, yeah.
She's HALLE, and then it's you. It's you and HALLE. Then maybe let's say it's me. I wanna confess, and I send the confession. I'm like, what you call HALLE from C13. I'm saying, what you call
Kia.
Kia, yes. Kia from C13. Your man is signing out HALLE at what you call C12. I've seen that one. If you
Then
sure.
Then I put my eye up.
I
Guys, get.
But
I
then
refuse. You can't. It won't end there. How can you go there if you can't run?
I think they were talking about James or Rosita around there. Sure.
I could challenge.
I'm a strong soldier.
James. Actually, but I'm a type.
Go pitch James.
Yeah, I'm a
Are you
sing.
No,
Why not?
because I'm food.
I'm here.
Angimphika akekho.
Ngiyamazi.
Ngizophika abantu.
Ngiyamazi.
Bani?
Mara when
I'm
washo
telling
ukuthi James was dangerous.
Yeah, man.
What dangerous?
How
Because
do you
the
know?
experience corner, but it doesn't mean I'm currently with someone from there.
So then, according to wena then,
Mhm.
parents ubona ukuthi la bafana balafaya. Fuck boy straight.
Vele James.
James.
Like C13.
Yeah,
James
C13.
listen.
C13 inendawo, C13.
Those niggas.
Guys, la akid akibaboni.
Ngoba C13. Wena ucabanga ngani
Yeah.
ucabanga baba like amashaya ama-gents ukuthi yabona like esle.
I not so far it's C13 because I live there.
Guys, I think C13 is because of the recent scandal, yes.
It's not even the
it's not-
recent
it's not about
scandal,
them.
boy.
Sure, it's not about
But
them.
it's dangerous.
Nah.
Peer answers.
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
Remove.
I wouldn't say we are.
But
They are.
dangerous.
They might be.
Wena uboneni usho ukuthi badangerous uboneni.
Ngibone ama-confessions lawo, you know.
Uthatha ama-confessions, wena uboneni. Sawubona confessions, wena uboneni.
Oh, you want to
Yeah.
I don't know anything about this one. Yeah. I don't know anything.
Okay, sure, mina ngitshele ngizoselandela. There was a time ne.
Mhm.
Ugawe one. ne,
Sure.
asayina inamantombazane 3 girls.
Mhm.
Per day, 3 to 4 girls per day.
Oh.
No ugawe khona.
Mhm.
Usasekhona emangeni. Ngathana.
Mhm.
So then no, bengimbheka ngiyabona ukuthi my brother,
Mhm.
ayitshaya no.
Ewu.
Untanga yazi kangakanani?
Mhm.
Like bekalingana no Scott.
Oh.
No sikalingana nawo.
Oh.
Ngiyabona ukuthi no, ukuthi hayi mfana namacala ayisiphelile indaba yakho. Ngiyabona ukuthi hayi no mfana ayisiphelile mfana. Ngoba vele naye beka ngispire ngibona ukuthi macala ne.
Sure.
Uyabashaya ne. Namanteni yafika afaya. Maka bese ngibona no ukuthi hey, this is where I'm going. Sengiyabona ukuthi hayi. So then another stories have you had in James?
Yeah, James.
Mhm.
Guys, look, badlala mina. That's how we do
What happened?
it. Awashiman.
Maka bathi ngathi university usayaphi?
Hawu, Nkosi yami benifuna i-experience. Benifuna i-experience. Nathi sifuna ukubona ukuthi what's the crime. How?
Ni this year.
No, just know ukuthi
This year?
mase ubona. Last year. Just know ukuthi uzobona umuntu akadrive around emotweni nomunye umuntu. Yeah, no.
What happened?
Hayi.
Nihlangene kuphi nokani? Nihlangene la.
Yeah, la.
Yilo ama confession. Omunye.
Omunye.
Ukulandile personally lo ne. Akuchazi kanye.
I know.
Enye benizosaba ukukhuluma ngani ngoba vele ex yakho.
Expose the ex. Ukuthi singajwayele nayo. Ngiyamsaba.
Kama luphi?
Ngiyashayika.
Ubiki. Manje usabani ngathi umuntu obiki nyana. Yambheke
James
nje.
ningivukisa i-trauma.
Usahlala iJames manje?
Angazi.
Awazi ne.
Angazi. Lost contact.
Uthi manje ex.
Hmm?
Do you think
Yes,
guys
yeah,
should we better like have access to ex yakho? Should have access with maybe let's say John and
Sure.
then ipartner yakhe iba ne-access ne-ex yakhe. Do you think that's appropriate or it depends?
I really don't know, because like some of my relationships ended differently. There's ones where we are able to still be friends and like have no intimacy and stuff. But then there's those ones with hidden agendas and still have feelings towards you, or you still have some type of feeling towards them. So I feel like those ones are the ones that you should let go completely. But the ones that you can keep around, just friends vibes, that's fine. But then now to have access, yeah, you'll never believe what my current boyfriend did to me, Chomi. That's why it's not your Chomi. He wants to hear the downfall of your current man. So, no.
Then like, how do you navigate it, Kao? Like, we navigate it. How do you decide what's okay, sharp? No access. No access.
Mina ngiyazazi Shem. If umuntu somehow, somewhere will persuade me, there's words that you can say to me and then persuade ukuthi ngikufile futhi, I'll feel you, I'll get feelings for you again. So those ones I'll just know ukuthi akahambe fast otherwise uzomoshela i-relationship yami. So then there's the ones that are just like, when I'm tired of you, I have no interest towards you, like no romantic feelings towards you. Those ones I can keep around and then just be like, we're cool, but I don't talk to you every day as in we're close friends. Nah, like here and there, Shabby's hello, hi, unjani. How's school treating you? Fine, sharp vibes. How's your current relationship? Good now, boy. Never tell them it's going, it's shubering. No. Just say, it's not boy. Yeah.
So, what happened? Like, would he? When you focus on cow, as me in Tavan, when you put it in, and tell him, come, Koshi, but Koshi,
The same story.
No, wow.
The one we just spoke now. No, I just said like you choose which exes to keep, which exes to let go.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have a favorite ex?
I know.
Why not? Why not?
I get the favorite ex, yeah, in.
Watching it's child. You'll never go back to it.
She's lying. There is that one ex that can call now Angapuma.
Achieve.
Inking and him, she keep teasy boy, so name him body anymore. It's fine.
Nah.
So I get
Easy kind.
Kia, do you have?
My favorite ex.
You have what?
Favorite ex.
I don't do favorite ex, guys. Me and Peter God. Not that, now I can still talk to my exes, right? But then the rule is like we only talk when I want to talk. So I'm phone Maramina, my phone cool, but now
My phone is his up.
I like that they have to die, guys. I was going to die. Like, but then like you see, I deleted his numbers and he blocked me. Funny thing is, he blocked me, but he still has my number, and I don't even have his numbers. So I keep his number far. No, I don't talk to him at all. And the reason being is, I think out of all my exes, he's that one ex that knows my weakest point, right? So if I ever talk to him, like we're gonna get back together, and then you fool me. And guys, but so you guys, never tell no.
Have you my favorite ex?
I mean, I don't know.
Why not go gay? Why not go gay? Why not do that with you?
Come on. Oh, you in a relationship?
Yeah?
You in a relationship?
No.
Man, put it out.
Don't
man.
What
Usnika mapia hands.
Now to the stage.
I don't know the talking stage. It's just like a situationship. Sure, just a situationship. That's not a relationship. It's nothing. But then I wanted to ask you. You have favorite exes now.
Misschien de privacy person.
If
you say podcast. Favorite ex. I'm not favorite ex.
We are all local.
I'm not favorite ex. You go relationship and they go, hey, me no kill them. Like previous weeks, I come saying about my ex, so then I can't have a favorite ex. Can't make sense.
She's lying. Now you call that one girl. If she send the text, don't lie.
I can tell boy. He means like he does have favorite ex, but I'm cool man. I could show as a man.
I'm in a relationship, but I never favorite ex. That's what I'm saying.
You are right.
That's what I'm saying. I'm in a relationship, and the egg count.
No,
So as we're saying, as so I will not go to sabotage like in your relationship in my ex and so on. But then, will you go back to your ex?
No.
Why not?
Going back. I don't even have their numbers.
Why? Come in. Oh, pick up your phone.
Sure. What can I say? My old device, man. I was man. Switch from
another device, another relationship.
I am Martin. And like I lost contact, but then I'm going back there.
Why do you always lose contact?
Pick up your phone.
No, it's not. It's no longer the phone issue now. Everything. I lost contact. I lost contact.
Yeah, I lost contact.
Why? What's wrong?
I only pick up the what you call the important numbers. The ones on them.
This nigga so that challenge. Yo. Bro, so that challenge. Yeah.
So, will you consider dating the person who goes to situationship now?
Who?
The person like who situationship now, will you consider dating him?
No.
So what's the point of you? Guys, why are you meeting someone on with no intention of relationship?
Uyazaba lento sitshela zona.
Yeah.
Uyazazi lento sitshela zona.
She knows.
Wait,
Why?
There's
Muhlala,
no way she
papers.
would stick around if she knew that.
Real.
Wait. We didn't speak about relationships.
But then obviously
But then
you are
obviously
leading her
taking
on
the-
a
yeah,
daily
yeah.
basis.
Nah.
Whenever I have been to ask you, which one be careful now?
What thing?
Why would I say this? I asked you.
Oh.
I can't go inside.
This nigga is so down. What do you want?
Nas pume lapha.
Ow!
This man turned on the real.
Askumela.
You know, waiting, I've realized one thing. Niggas will keep you around until they find the girl that they really want.
Bro.
Because
Goodness bright.
and yazi kama. When kama comes.
Are you planning on getting married?
Bro. Yeah, at some point.
Are you planning on getting married?
Eish. I've never thought about it.
Dog, kaya stress Alina.
I've thought about it.
No. So then, guys, since I hope now like South Africa, since it's June, we're celebrating the Pride Month. So I next Pride Month next. So then I'm really going to like teach us one thing. In Pride Month, we say, okay, what is it about awareness and anything that you know?
I feel like it's about celebrating diversity, not just diversity amongst people, but like amongst sexuality and preferences and everything. So it's just about appreciating the existence of our LGBTQ community. And man, it's just vibes, just straight vibes. Sharing love, sharing everything. Yeah.
My brother,
Open the question.
what do you think about the whole Pride Month thing and the awareness?
Eish, mina ngazi nhleke. Mina ngazi.
So what I think, like for now, I feel like it is celebrated because in the past, the LGBTQ female, like they were discriminated, they were taken apart, but now there's Pride Awareness Month. Yeah, seriously, so what I'm saying is that they were previously discriminated, then so now I feel like I know Baba niggas the power, obviously number parade by there matching So I feel like now like Pride Month is to like raise awareness with the one double cash up. Let's include them. They are also people. I feel like it's like that. And like, what do you think of Pride Month?
I genuinely feel like it's okay to celebrate Pride Month, guys. I'm not against gays. I'm not homophobic or something.
Same.
But I feel like we live in that one society where we celebrate it, right? So what's the point of celebrating something that has a lot of hatred? Right? Because in as much as you're saying it's Pride Month, Konomunya now is busy saying fuck gays, fuck lesses, stars and other things, right? And I don't like why so much hatred? I just don't understand why. So I just feel like we are just contradicting ourselves in terms of celebrating this whole pride thingy because we are showing love and hate at the same time, which it's not healthy for them. That's my chat.
I think that's how most Gents feel like they have nothing against them, but what's on the please.
Guys, you know what the
So now
problem
like they are bad guys, like not just gays, but everyone who's involved in the community. Alright, do your thing, but what's on the
Sure.
Because
Wait, do you think it is Oglanda or straight?
Eish, abakhala ish.
Asal.
Asiteti lawo ish.
Balandan.
Oglandi experience?
Macala ako kiba mlan, Owen. Bakiwa nandagan.
Kebalan macala eh.
Bamlanda kanjani? Like bamaputha so refoni.
We at an event. Sichilile tayo. Silexila mina ngiphuza nto. So asilexile nathi nayo nomjita ngaphuza. Asichile. I clips.
Approach.
Clips. Approach. Hi. Uyezwa umtshela umngane wami ngiyakufuna hayi umngane athi hayi baphuma ubheka le
Sirazi.
hayi ngiyasuka ingoma yangena Next thing ngiyisegibeli what you call ngibeli table lezo. Siyathweka nami semnyama.
Ubani umntana?
Uthwekela. Ngiyithwekela umntana. Umntana ngona adla phansi.
Like abanye kanitheka ya azaphathi.
Not just
You know it's crazy how guys share like gays, guys. Serious, my shape is beat installation. Guys, and then like I'm a bomber jacket. Obvious, like even if I can wear boobs, you won't see that I have boobs or something. Then in clearly a punk baby happy all sexy with the nails. Hey mama, hi. Samara. And then you guys just find out that person is gay when you guys have to do yeah.
No, let's carry on.
It's real. Because most niggas are after lines. Not gonna lie.
Most niggas.
Yo.
Most niggas.
When guys, me put my picture, you should know this.
I hate that.
Huh? Yeah. Sorry. We can have people. We can have people. So, guys, I almost said him.
Bakho baziyo wena la ukuthi after night let's get.
No. Zama bachampa mari.
Yabona. Bakho suspect yanyani yabona ukuthi ayiwena. Why? Cluster 13.
Not at cluster 13 bangio 12. So ngiwa bona ukuhamba ngiyena. Ngibheki. Lezo phela ngiyadlula ngiphuma la. Njalo izinto ezinjalo but then unothi uguy maybe ngibona uScott takithi how uScott after nine hours. Ngiyobheka phela ngathi hayi.
Yes, Bob.
Yabona. And have you ever suspected someone with ayiwena?
I actually have no.
When baboni?
I just have no way of telling. But I have friends that are gay, and then they tell me stories
About guys?
Yes.
Whoa, friends here.
No. Here, yes, they are, but they like name makhulumele la. But then there's one outside of
Do
school.
you believe a corner?
Probably.
Yes.
Most likely. Yes. Yes.
Go babona. Obviously you babona
No,
it's
not
right, but
here. But then we hear these like, especially last year, there were these confessions of like, let's say you there's a gay guy and then he has a straight roommate, and then he'd be like, I mean, I'm nigga roommate, I'm a chocolate box. Straight. So then things like that. So obviously,
if someone okay and you know roommate, high chances are.
Hey,
Not high chances. Let's say medium. There are other people who hate gays with everything that you do. Like I can hate her because she's gay, and then see I'm a roommate, and then we can literally stop talking because she's gay. What do you mean? Uzomama mabele 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Guys.
That's and King was just so story now. Maybe you're talking about the same person.
Ke wa shele gay wena.
What's your name?
Ke wa shele gay wena. I just can't prove it. I can tell. Yeah.
So what I told them about the story. It's a story why?
Ke wa shele gay, right? Yeah, ngiyabona ukuthi bantu siyamthini.
We keep it, but it's fine.
We'll support you.
I won't judge you, bro.
I won't judge you, man.
This is a men's, what we call June. It's a men's mental health month. So see now we're going. Kulum, feel free.
Viva.
So guys, as I was saying,
Kulum.
Ukhulume ngakuna story next ka ukuka.
Ke wa shele gay, Spitori.
Eka,
There's nothing wrong. We
Awubuyele
understand.
ka ubiza ukhuluma la.
My brother, it's fine.
Nathi, relax.
It's okay. We'll help you. We'll get through this together.
I'm gonna ex my face.
Spitori kulum much. Hi.
And it didn't cover.
Yeah.
I didn't have in.
She had a frontal on. Her face big. What did I stop? What happened?
It's fine.
7 minutes now.
It's 48. Selling 12 minutes.
12 minutes now. So guys, so no it's Pride Month now. I'd like to celebrate. Stay tuned on Total Story. Ne? So then, since we left it less than 10 minutes on the podcast,
Sure.
I'd like us to play a game. Never ever ever. Done it to the game.
What?
Never.
Ever ever. Done it to the game.
Okay, chala wena.
Well,
Chala wena.
nah.
Angithi wena uhlelile ke? So
Nishele kuphi ke mara ke ya.
Just stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Never
man.
have I ever.
No, I get it, but we're just doing it with things that we never done with gay people.
I have or I never.
Okay.
Have you ever?
Never have I
Never
ever.
ever done it to the gay person?
It doesn't have to be a boy, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Everyone in the community.
Yeah,
Why? Have you ever?
So
Yeah.
right. Never have I ever kissed a gay.
I've never.
I have.
I have never.
I have never.
Never ever ever.
I never ever dated the
Did it what?
okay.
I have.
I have never.
I have never.
In public, I have never.
What you mean in public when?
Hi!
In public, I have never.
You're right! What do you mean?
I'm saying this in public, I have never.
I don't know.
In public,
No,
that
yeah,
is
my brother.
private.
My brother's not after 9. He just
Yeah,
didn't know.
go.
He just didn't
Oh.
know.
I didn't know in
Now, what shall I begin? I
I
just can prove it.
Never have I ever had a crush on a gay.
I have.
I've never.
Never.
I have.
You have.
Yo, guys, that's so cute.
So
Yay!
now it's time, Carl. Boy, according to what you heard,
Sure.
what happened at last?
Eh?
Before the story, what happened? According to
Yeah, according to you.
As mina, I was chilling in the room and mina.
Where's your sound?
Like me as a sound myself with. And
It's not ninja.
Obvious.
there were girls screaming and I'm not sure, maybe that thing started inside what told the rest. I'm not sure, but then ngicabanga njalo angazi ngoba they a bit close and so yeah, I was just checking there with my friend. Then my friend was like, nah, nigga. I think nah, there's something wrong out there. And maybe it's someone maybe watching a video in the kitchen. Then you went to check out. When he came out, yes, like 7 year kitchen.
I'll figure it. You should go to the show. Figure it.
I'm feeling but
That's it.
very journalist.
Yeah, before you tell us, okay, I'm still making a chance. Go to Bonin or Rosen. Before.
No, go ahead.
Okay, sure.
I will support you.
Those are support. So then it started. It's
Call me.
Something.
Call me.
Something. To be clear, ngitshelilwe isitori.
To be clear.
Ngempela, guys. So
Before tell the story, no topic is off.
So mina ngisekamereni ngiyachilla boy. I'm blowing headphones on, just chilling, about to sleep, probably go past 12 or 12 midnight. Sharp. My friend
Earlier than that.
Earlier than that? Yeah. I don't even know. But then my friend just bangs my door open. She just runs off. I follow after her. No shoes, no gun, nothing. I just get out of bed straight. No socks, nuts, bruh. I'm running out the gate. Mom's almost closed our gates because she saw that it was just chaos. People are going out without tapping, student cards, whatever. Hi, get out. Now we get outside, but then the fight has already gone inside C13 because apparently it started in the parking lot, but then they moved into C13. I'm just like, okay. Now we go to the fence. Everyone is screaming, let us in, it's from again. Yeah, we're trying to get in, but then the house parent was outside and he's trying to push us away from the fence. We're not listening. So he's like, we want to see what's going on. Allegedly. Kutwa.
Before that whole scenario happened, like 12, go to Pumida or class 13 or 15. That's what happened before. In terms of total
Allegedly. I'm describing what happened, I guess. Ngitsheliwe le nto.
what you heard, yeah.
Oh, my sister, story.
Hey guys, get guys.
Evasion, and now I'm going to evasion.
Yeah, also you should.
But they're cool. Kutwa, the girl or the guy. So there's a guy, straight guy. Then there's the girlfriend. Then allegedly there's 2 other gay guys that the straight guy was messing with.
Explain that I think
Straight guy, girlfriend.
Sure.
On top of the girlfriend, the straight guy is messing with 2 gay guys. Allegedly. Both from C13. So all the gents are from C13, then the girls from C12. Right? Cool. Alright, that happens. And then apparently, I don't know if the gay guy or the gay guy saw the girl getting signed out. One of the 2 happened. Someone saw someone getting signed out. And then obviously you're gonna try and fight for your dignity, boy, because what do you mean you playing in my face, bro? Like what do you mean you cheating on me? With another gender, your own gender, good. So like that became a problem. And then it just
Bad.
yeah.
So okay, make up for me. Yeah, mas okay.
Amas.
Not like to go to
Yes, I'm saying that. Yes.
No guy or mas.
Okay, one of the gay guys I know, but I don't know the guy, the straight guy. But then my sister, she gives us a different story. They were fighting over money for Shwama, so that's where we lose. No, she's fighting for her respect and her reputation because the gay guy, went and bought a Shwama from her and then he didn't pay her the 30 ring. So yeah, no, I'm fighting for my respect because I'm fighting for my respect. It's not about a nigga. But then everyone is saying that now. She's just saying that to save face because nobody wants everyone to know that their person was sleeping with another gender, and then yeah, I know they still came to live after that.
Okay, nakahlala class 13.
Uhlala khona?
Bamsayini class 13. Uhlala khona bamsayini class 13.
No, the girl.
The girl uhlala in class 12. Then
She was
bamsayini
signed in.
class 13. Then she found out ukuthi umuntu amubhizi namagiara. Anakia wazinga. Ivar. Nyasho Ivar.
Guys.
Allegedly.
Guys, I also don't know what happened.
When you sing in that,
Guys, due to my reputation, right? Due to my reputation, I cannot disclose this, right? Because it will be like I'm tarnishing the name of my race or something that happened. But I will explain to you guys off cam what happened. No, in King guys, I like my position at my race doesn't allow me to be talking about certain things publicly, so because I'm tarnishing the name of my residence or whatever that happened. I was there, I saw what I saw. You get it? But then me saying it publicly, so it's something else.
But before confirm now. Eva.
Too short, guys, too short. Next to the TikTok, I just say allegedly.
Really, I'm emphasizing on that.
Allegedly.
But then, Barry, how can you come there if you can run? So what should run can kill you. Kill a lot. Jalani at last, guys, it's very healthy.
Ne?
Yeah.
Guys, what you said ne good to me now. Can I go see some magister?
We have a chicken.
Allegedly. Nakona into eyes with it's not something that into eyes with obvious so then don't come for her. And don't come for okay, don't come for Kawama confessions. Don't come for him, please.
Now I'm coming for
And I also don't own their watch.
Oh, he lost contact. Angamazi,
Run
he
can
lost
kill
contact.
you.
Just helping him.
We understand, guys. We understand. It's fine.
So, guys, yeah, please tell me about Ateki. all of them bafethu cela mina nami ngicela ngingathi nami because angijoni namagain first things first nathi yakulukhokha into engekho boy ngiyacela
kodwa uyishelile
kangishelanga angishelanga ke unathi ka
Ayikho le
ngiyadlala so yeah this is BAZOOKA Origin podcast. The topic is of
Topic!
is of
Topic!
The government.